millions.
There are millions.
I could say thousands.
I could say thousands, hundreds,
billionaires.
billionaires in the world.
We're going to
But we're going to talk today about some of them. And
good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you 3 high CPM niche. So in order to start making money online, so you have to have these CPM niche up. So in order to start, and I'm gonna present you 3 high CPM niche. First of all, we're gonna go to google.com. No, excuse me, I'm sorry. We're gonna go to ai.com, google.com first, and then of course, and then we're gonna do one search to AI ChatGPT. Okay, so now let's go exactly where we have to go and continue our journey. All right, I met it. It's been google.com. ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT introducing ChatGPT, and we're gonna ask AI to do something for us, and we're gonna ask AI about 3 high CPM niche. 3 number me. Number me for CPM 3 CPM niche. As we asked for 3, so first of all we have local advertising. Secondly, we have B2B business to business marketing, and next we have e-commerce retargeting. Okay, so in order to have these and functions, you have to have some prior knowledge about advertising, about B2B business marketing, e-commerce. I remember the other day I've been teaching about how to get e-commerce started, as we chose one of the freelancing platforms that been generating dollars. I mean, I would say hundreds, thousands of dollars online. So today I'm bringing you these, so where you can use AI to generate your business, or AI is the fastest tool, as we've been saying. You can take that with you and anywhere you're going, or any website, any browser that you're gonna be in. So as we've been saying this here, so next thing we're gonna get, the next step we're gonna choose, we're gonna go to YouTube and look to see which one of these, so we can take a look at and choose on. Okay, we're gonna go to youtube.com, and then when it's come here, as it's a marketing online, right? So we're gonna go to marketing, we're gonna type exactly, say local advertising. So let's say local advertising. All right, like here, local advertising business or small business. Local advertising, we're gonna put it exactly the way it was. Okay, so here, so now if you don't have any ideas about how local advertising working, I invite you to watch one of these videos. Okay, when you watch one of these videos on marketing or on social media, that will give you some hints, that will give you some ways that you can choose one of these to be exactly where you're looking for. Okay, you're gonna be exactly where you're looking for. So 5 free next door advertising tips for local business, right? So this one about a year ago. We have Google Ads, as this guy mentions. Okay, YouTube ads, advertising. Okay, so now what we're gonna do now. So remember, you are the one who gonna click on one of them to get what you need there. Okay, so the next step, I would say, let's go to social blade. Will be the third step. Okay, the third step is google.com. Google.com, social blades. We're gonna click on this right here. Remember, you have to sign up. If you do not have an account, you can sign up, create your username and password, and log in. But I do not want to do that. But you are the one. You can go ahead and register yourself here, and then put your email address, your name here, your password, confirm password, and then get in, and then register. After that, you verify your account, and then you go back, you come here again, and then you log in. After you log in, and then you can go ahead and choose whatever CPM niche you wanna get in function. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I've been doing something, and there was a little bit confusion. Okay, now as you already create your accounts, and then we come back to this, and then let's say now we're gonna choose one of these high CPM niche and see how much money that you can make on this thing right here. Okay, entertainment. As you can see, like advertising, we're gonna say, let's say entertainment. Which entertainment we can choose? We have A plus plus, A plus, and then we're gonna go to, let's choose my Ryan, this one right here. We're gonna click to it. Okay, my Ryan, she's making, or this channel making 137,000 monthly to 2.2 billion monthly, million monthly. And that one here, down here yearly, he make 1.6 million monthly, I mean yearly, to 26,000 to 26 million yearly. That means it's a high CPM niche, right? That's how you can try and choose a high CPM niche and takes you to the next level with your business. And this is very, very interesting of doing that. Okay, so now let me bring you to YouTube with this thing right here. Let's see what they do, right? Let's see what they do. Mine Ryan or MV Ryan, right? MV Ryan. Let's do that on YouTube. MV Ryan. MV, not my Ryan, but it's MV Ryan, and it's RHAYAM. Okay, so it's been here. So we're gonna go through it right here. It is a group of people. Okay, he's doing something like you see how funny is this? Look, oh man, she will look in and never see what's going on outside. Anything funny you can do it, okay? Anything funny you could ever met, okay? That is great. Yeah, that is great to me. Just choose something, that can generate you money, a lot of money. All right. So you can come here to video, and then you can set for most. That's the latest everything over here. But let's look for the most popular. You can look on the most popular videos. They have thousand, they have million. Like this one. This one has 33 million. Let me bring this a little bit higher. You can see it. Okay, this one has 33 million views for 2 years. 22 million views for 2 years. 5.1 million for 2 years. Very, very high CPM niche. Okay, and that is good. That is good, and I love it. They are very good, and I love them so much, and that's why I've been doing this. And I'm just helping you that how you can go ahead and show something, and go ahead and start making money online on the internet. Easy. Just watch and get your goal, get your make your commitments, and let's do something. Let's make something happen just from home. Okay, and with these three steps, let's make $10,000 monthly. Okay, these 3 steps can make you $10,000 plus monthly. All right, bye bye, see you anytime.